ready na po kayo before we go to our other line on the other side. So yung mga fans ni Mika, ano na yung spin na natin? Okay, Ryan. So you guys will be next very soon. Hintayin natin natin pre-order line and then we will call you after. So we'll just take a couple of pictures for now. Guess what? And our next pre-order, yes, yung mga nag-pre-order, we have the next. Okay, next pre-order. Please join me in the front. Kung nag-pre-order mo kayo ng Xiaomi 15T. Ayan. Our next pre-order, customer? Hello po. Yes, number 15 daw po siya. Clarify. Oh, okay. Perfect. Let's take a picture. Meron pa po ba on our pre-order line? Anybody else? Meron pa po ba? Anybody else who did a pre-order? Pre-order? O wala po? Okay, so now, after the pre-order, we have our fans who will be a group photo. Last pre-order, there you go. Okay, yes, please join us in the front. Do not be shy. On theme po ating very mocha din. Very on-theme matching. Yes, please smile for our camera in front. Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us. And is that okay sa mga pre-order? One more time. Nandun pa pala. One more. Okay, so, may group photo din. Okay. Our pre-orders 1 to 3. The dedication. Okay, everybody smile in the front. Okay, and we have our next pre-order. Okay, so okay. Oh, CEO. Okay, last. Thank you so much. Okay, last our first pre-order. One more pre-order. We have our next pre-order. Hello, Bob. Please join us. Ayan. Hello po. Ayan. Please smile for our camera in the front. Pakita niyo po yung silang phone. No more. Big smile. Wait lang guys. Malapit na. Promise. Or, test mo nga yung bago camera. Pakita mo ako. Pakita mo Xiaomi 15T. Yes. Okay, next. Our next pre-order. Also, yes. Next pre-order. Thank you so much. Hello. Thank you for joining us. Oh, picture kayo. Show your body shy. Show your Xiaomi. Ayan. So once again, we're still here at the Xiaomi store for the launch of the Xiaomi 15T series. Do you have any last thought, pre-order, or green of 15T right now? It's not too late, kaya na pa. If not, last call for any pre-order or customer. May isa pa, yes, we still have one more. Ay, we still have a couple, ayan. Okay, ayan, so picture kayo. Please don't be shy, show your Xiaomi. Ayan. There you go. We still have our pre-orders for those who bought. We group muna. Okay, we have the group. Ayan, so we have the fans of Mika as well. Please join us. Diba? With the energy. Kahit umuulan, wala ng energy. Diba? Okay guys, compress tayo. Please compress. And dahan-dahan lang po, please don't be very gentle. Ayan, okay? Please compress tayong lahat. Kita ang lahat. Kita ng lahat sa picture. Okay guys, smile for the photo in front. Ay, yung mga phones niyo po, if hindi siya Xiaomi, please patago lang po, please. Yan, bongga. Gusto mo silang pala? Okay, everybody smile, smile. Okay, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Maraming salamat guys. Thank you for joining us. Maraming salamat. Okay, next. We have one more pre-order. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you po. Ilaban niyo yung vlog natin. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Ayan, we have our pre-order. Thanks so much. Ayan, very good. Smile. And we have our store goers who are here. Very carefully, please say hello to Mita. Ayan, there you go. There you go. And then we'll take a picture. Group photo lang. And now we have the staff of the SM North End of the Blanc store. Please join us. Para mag-show sa uwi ng Mita. Ayan. Join po kayo yung mga red jacket dyan. Huwag po kayong mahiya. To all of our SM North and sa Xiaomi store, please don't be shy. O, diba? Compress mo para dito po kayo lahat sa picture. Okay, last call for the store. Last call. Shout out to ate na nasa counter. We're working very hard today. Yes! Hola. 1, 2, 3, Xiaomi! Diba? Masagura mo lang Xiaomi store sa SM North Edsa. Last. Isa ba? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Thank you so much. Shout out to the staff here at SM North at the Xiaomi store. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. But now I also want to call the Xiaomi marketing team to also join us for our photo op with